Canon DM-E1D shotgun microphone. Here's what the box looks like. Gonna unbox now. It wobbles a little bit, so I'm suspecting there is some kind of suspension here to keep it from absorbing a lot of the handling noise of the camera. Since this is a on-camera microphone, DM-E1D, I'm gonna test it on the V1 first. I'll remove the shoe protector. Open this up. I saw another review where the reviewer said that if you tend to lose these on top of the camera, if you have it like this, you can slide it in here and that could be its holder. And because it's a brighter color, if this falls into your bag, you'll be able to see it. Oh, there's a little click. Wow, so this is what it looks like when it's on the V1. The V1 is small, so it's quite large. I'm gonna turn the camera on. Okay, let me go to the audio settings here and see what they look like when you plug in the microphone like this. Okay, sound recording on. 16 PCM, AAC, I'll do PCM. Audio settings, hot shoe input. Okay, that is usually grayed out when you don't have this in. So I'm gonna hit the hot shoe input. Okay, we got some settings here. Audio record mode is on auto. Let's leave it on auto. You have a wind filter attenuator. Okay, here's where you change the mic direction. So it can do 90, it can do 3. Shotgun, 90 degree, 120. So I'm gonna do shotgun. And there you go. Yep, see the meters? And let me just see what this button does when it's on the V1. Hit the button. Okay, you hit the button and it goes automatically to the audio menu system. And just to do a size comparison to other microphones that people might be familiar with, this one's currently my favorite. And this is the Sennheiser MKE400. I usually just keep the dead cat permanently on there. And this is what it looks like. Let me put the dead cat on for this one so you can see the full size. Oh, this is really easy to put on. Okay, I like that this is an easy dead cat to put on because some of them are quite hard. But here's the comparison. And this one takes batteries. It takes 2 AAAs. This one, the benefit is that it does not take any batteries. And now looking at both of them, this isn't that big in comparison. It's not even as long. This Sennheiser MKE400 is longer. And if you're coming from the Sony system, one of their newer ones and the smallest one, from what I understand. And this also it connects to the electronic components of the camera, and then the camera, you're able to control all this, or for this one, you can see all the patterns and all the different settings you can control on the mic itself. It's a very funky design, and this one's much smaller. So maybe Canon needs to make something like Sony right here. Oh yeah, this doesn't come in any pouch or case. That's a bummer. Since this is so expensive, you would think it would come in a little pouch. Lastly, I have this Joby mic that is pretty affordable, but it's huge. Look at this Joby mic with the dead cat. Massive. Now I'm gonna do a final test with the Canon R50V. With the Canon R50V, it has 4 channels of audio, but the only way to utilize the 4 channels of audio is using the Canon's mic right here, their hot shoe adapter. Once you put the shotgun mic on here, you'll get 2 channels of audio, and then you can use this 3.5 to get channels 3 and 4. So I'm gonna test to see if that actually works. Okay, now let me hit this button, menu, goes to the hot shoe input, mic direction, let's go into shotgun. And then, yeah, let's leave it on auto record. Let me go to the other menu and just see what it looks like when I'm here. Okay, so I have it in 4 channel mode. and I go to audio status. So inputs 1 and 2 is the shotgun microphone. Inputs 3 and 4 is the built-in right here, audio right here. Okay, I am recording. This is the shotgun microphone. Here's what it sounds like. And now I'm gonna switch the audio over to the built-in mics. 1, 2, 3. This is the built-in microphones on the R50V. They're all set to auto. This is all on auto. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Now I'm gonna get this here. Check, check, yep, both on. Okay, so get this, get the output. So right now you see it says built-in mic, but as soon as I plug this in, it's gonna say external. Yep, there you go, external. And now let me see if these are gonna read. Check, 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 check. Oh, this is channel 4. Do you see it glowing? Channel 4, channel 4, channel 4. This is gonna be channel 3. Check, check, channel 3, channel 3, channel 3. Awesome, okay. So it is true. Once you have the Canon shotgun microphone, you can now take advantage of all 4 channels of audio. So here's the shotgun microphone. 1, 2, 3. This is what the shotgun microphone sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take one of the Sennheisers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what one of the Sennheisers sound like, close to my mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this last transmitter, I'm gonna put it right off camera, right not close to me, so you can hear the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the last test, I'm just gonna go through the different directional patterns. So you already heard the shotgun. I'm gonna switch over to 90. This is what 90 degrees sounds like. 90 degrees, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. This is off axis, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 90 degrees, let's point it the other way. The audio is reflecting from the table back to the microphone. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3. And now back to me, 90 degrees, 1, 2, 3. Let me see if I could change this while it's recording. Okay, it's recording now. Let me hit the audio button. Oh, nope, I cannot change the pattern while it's recording. So I gotta stop the camera and then go back in. Let's go to 120 degrees. So now this is 120 degrees, it's on auto, 120 degrees. The mic is pointed at me right now. Checking, testing, now I have it off axis, test, test, test. I'm gonna point the camera directly down now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 120 degrees. I'm gonna go to this side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Check, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, pointed at me. You know, I didn't really check the off axis with the shotgun. So let me go to the shotgun, go to the directional pattern, shotgun mode. Okay, this is the shotgun again. It's about 1 foot away from my mouth. This is off axis, 1, 2, 3, off axis. Now I'm pointing down there. I'm right behind the microphone. This is what it sounds like right behind the microphone. 1, 2, 3. Going to this side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then now going back here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna shake the camera. Here's what it sounds like when the camera is shaking. I'm gonna grip the camera, get some handling noise, and that's what that sounds like. You can tell me what you think about it, but here's what the form factor looks like on the R50V when you have their, I believe this is their only shotgun microphone that has their hot shoe connection that can work with the newer cameras, the newer RF cameras. Even the Canon R5, I don't believe this works for it, so you have to really check the compatibility. But this would be a great setup, right? Now I ordered a cage for the R50V. It's still coming, so this still needs a cage, but otherwise this is looking pretty cool.